spet prihaja k nam poletje, z njim prihaja modro cvetje in vijolice, ki nabirajo ga punce, vsaka svojemu dragmu, jaz pa srota nimam komu. I think the music is a huge part of documentary film, but of course it has to support the story, the message it has to tell. Last year there was a premiere of Beyond Boundaries. The bass player in my band, Nino, he did the music, but also the whole band did the concert for the movie. And yes, it would be completely different if the director would take someone else or put some classical music. That would be, and the message would be different.